So we're going to go ahead and go over the setup and light burn for cutting out the Great American Ballpark coasters. As you can see, there are 4 layers. You have the bottom layer, which is the solid. You have a middle layer, the top wood layer, and then the last layer is a piece of clear acrylic with 4 holes in it where it'll get mounted using some very small wood screws to help secure that acrylic to the top and to protect the wood from the moisture of the cups and stuff like that. So if you would put all these together, we'll just go ahead and select them and then center them up. You can see that that's what it would look like stacked on top of each other. So what I've done is just pulled out the different layers and segregated, as the red lines indicate cut layers and the blue lines indicate score lines. Okay, right now we got on the laser here. We got to speed up quite a bit to get through this so you don't have to sit and watch all of it. But we're doing all the engraving and cutting right here. All right, so we're down to the final step here. We got everything designed in Lightburn, sent to the laser. We cut it all out. We engraved everything. We got it stained, painted, sanded, glued together, put the screws into the acrylic. And then, so this is the final product here. Hopefully there's not a big glare on it, but you can see it here. You got the 3 layers of wood. You've got the final layer of acrylic. And then each set is a 4. And then you got your base. So the base for the Great American Ballpark ones have the ball field engraved into it. They're stained whitewash, kind of white, with the red dowels for the holders. And then all of these come with rubber feet on the bottom to keep them from sliding around and not marking up stuff. To kick off here in another month or so, then that way we can support your favorite teams. We are going to come out with more teams. Right now we just have the Ohio State coasters and the Buckeye coasters. We also have the Cincinnati Bengals coasters. I'm working on some Browns and other teams. If you got a team or a stadium that you would like, let us know. Thanks everybody for watching the video and hanging around and checking this out. Hopefully you'll want to order a couple sets for gifts. We can also put custom engraving with names or any text that you want on the coasters as well, or the base. Just let us know. We're more than willing to try to work out anything we can. It's within our capabilities.